For continuation of solving ng problems sa clutches, we have problems number 16 to 18. So let's start with problem 16. Okay? So a simple disc clutch has an outside diameter of 220 millimeter and inside diameter of 110 mm. So highlight natin sila. So you have 220 mm and then 110 mm. The friction is 0.3 and the applied load is 1,300 newtons. Calculate the torque transmitted using uniform wear. Okay? So I think 16 is very basic para sa atin. So number 16. Okay? Torque lang naman ay nahanap. So torque is equal to, okay, N F FA RM. Kaya lang, RM is based on uniform wear. Okay. So, this will become torque is equal to, ilan yan? Single disc clutch. And then F is 0.3. Multiply natin ng FA. FA is the applied load. So, 1,300 newtons. Multiplied to RM, since DO yung binigay, pwede namang DO plus DI divide by 2. Okay? Or RO plus RI divide by 2. Okay? DO plus DI divide by 4 yun ha. Kapag RO divide by 2. So DO DI na lang tayo. 220 plus 110. Okay? Divide natin ng 4. Tapos mm. Ang unit is in Newton meter. So, gawin na lang natin tong meter. You have 1 meter every 1,000 mm. Cancel all same units. Si millimeter. Matitira is Newton meter. So, torque will be equal to, okay, 0.3 times 1,300 divide by 1,000 times 220 plus 110 divide by 4. So the answer is 32.175. I think ang ginamit niya dito, kung di ako nagkakamali, is 0.3. Try natin 0.33. 0.31 ata, 3.1 nakita ko. Ayan. 0.31 ang ginamit niya dyan. Okay? So, 0.3, ang sagot is 32.175 Newton meter. Okay? So, for number 17, ayan, another discussion, meron tayo din 17. So, meron kang a band clutch, okay, with an angle of contact na 260 degrees. Sir, hindi mo discuss yan. Relax lang. Okay? So, the cross-section of the band is 1/16 and 2 inch. The design stress for the band material is 8,500 PSI. If the drum is 15 inches diameter and rotates 360 RPM, find the power capacity of the clutch. Relax lang po, i-discuss ni Sir yan. Let us have a circle for number 17. Discuss natin ha. Okay. So, I have a circle. Okay. If that is your clutch, okay? Ayan na. So, meron tayo ditong nakabalot na, okay, dalawa. So, isin natin. Okay. Dikit natin yan. Tapos, another one. and here. Ayan. If the direction of the spin is papunta rito, okay, definitely nasaan yung iyong slack side if it is a driving pulley. Okay? If that is a driving pulley, the tight side is always here. This is the slack. Okay? If this is the driver pulley, from in the middle, okay, this is the driving pulley. Now, nakakita ba kayo ng kuliglig? Diba? I-relate lang natin. Paano maandar yung kuliglig? Meron silang makina, tapos ang daming mga wheels. Diba? In order for you to engage driving yung wheels ng kuliglig, nakita natin sa Manila, they use an idler pulley. Diba? Gagamitan nila ng idler pulley para maging tight yung belt. Okay? So, yun yung good example ng band clutch. Ita-tighten natin yung idler para sumikip yung dun sa driving pulley. Sisikip yung iyong band, yung bando, okay? Yung belt. And then, eventually, aandar siya. Kasi, nagkaroon na siya ng friction. Okay? Maganda na yung contact. Now, in here, you have the tight side, F1, and then the slack side, F2. Okay? And also, you have an angle of contact. Okay? In here, in here. So, this is yung contact niya nandito sa side na to. Okay? That is theta. Okay? Tapos, on your surfaces, you have friction. Now, F1 divided by F2, the ratio between them is measurable by E multiplied to the frictional force and theta in radians. Okay? You now have a single formula there. Now, you want to find the torque for the entire assembly. The torque simply is, syempre, dalawa yung force mo, you have to get yung net force nila. And then, i-multiply mo dun sa radius. Okay? Where your F net simply is yung, that is the difference between your tight side and slack side. So, F1 minus F2 multiplied to R. Okay? So, therefore, in order for it to get the power transmitted on the clutch, ganito pa rin, P. Okay? T. N. Divide by factor. So, elaborating, so, F1 minus F2 R N divided by factor. Okay? So, ito na yung magiging formula mo there. Now, if you are given the dimension of your belt or your bando, okay, binigyan ka ng dimension dyan and then stress. So, the stress is always equal to force over area. Ayun, i-determine natin. Tignan natin yung cross-section ng inyong belt. If you have a belt here, okay, this is the band or the belt. Ayan. So, pinutol mo Nasaan yung application ng force? If this is the width and thickness, T, yung application ng force is here. Okay? That is the application of the force. Kaya kung dyan siya na-apply ng force, ibig sabihin, nandyan yung stress. Okay? Stress. So, ito daw yung kanyang cross-sectional area where the stress is happening. So, stress is equal to force over area. And this one will become yung force net or the tight side. Okay? Kung walang F net, the tight side divided by BT. You now have the stress formula. Okay, kuha ba? Okay. So, let us solve number 17. Anong pinapakuha dyan? Okay, the power capacity. we are given the angle of contact for the band clutch. So first, puntahan natin yung stress. Hanapin natin si F1. For number 17, stress is equal to F1 divided by BT. Meron tayong B and T. Okay? Given dito. Itong dalawa, 1/16 and 2 inch. So F1 is equal to 1/16 inch times 2 inch times yung stress na given. The stress given is 8,500 PSI. 8,500 pound per inch squared. So, calculate natin lahat ng value after cancelling yung same units. So, 8,500 divided by 16 times 2. So, 1062.5. 1062.5 pounds. Okay. So, I now have yung F1. So, pwede kong makuha si F2 by using this formula. Di ba meron tayong F1 divided by F2 equal to E, F, theta. Okay? I now have F1. So, pwede kong i-reform in terms of F2. Therefore, F2 is equal to F1 divided by E, F, theta. Okay? Where your F1 is 1062.5 pounds divided by E. Your F is, I think that is 0.35. Tama naman. 0.35. And then the angle of contact is 260. So, 260 pi divided by 180. Gawin mong radians. Okay. So, F2 will become 1062.5 divided by yung E, shift E, 0.35 times 260 pi divided by 180. This will become 217.0506 pounds. Okay. So, meron tayong value ni F2. I can now get yung power capacity. So, power is equal to F1 minus F2 R. Ito yung R ng pulley. Okay, pulley. Ano ba dyan? Drum. O, di pulley nga. Times N. Divide by factor. So, power is equal to F1 1062.5 minus 217.0506 pounds. Ay, R, ang binigay naman sa'yo diameter, divide mo na lang 2. 15 divide by 2. 15 divide by 2 inch. Okay? And then, N is 360 RPM. 360 RPM. Divided by the factor. Given factor. Okay? Factor is 63025 pound inch RPM every HP. Kailangan ko unit is power. So, cancel all same units. Pound, pound, inch, inch, RPM, RPM. So, this will become, okay, 1062.5 minus 217.0506 times 7.5 kasi 15 divide by 2 times 360 divide by 63025. Okay, that is 36.22 HP. Very basic yan. Okay? Nakuha natin yung tamang sagot. Okay? If you don't know how to draw, hindi mo kukuha yung solution. Okay? So, dapat praktisado ka rin ng drawing. How about number 18? Number 18. A band clutch, okay? A band clutch has an angle of contact ng 260 degrees. Tapos meron kang diameter ng drum na 16 inch. The rotational speed of the drum is 260 RPM. And the clutch transmits 10 HP. The band is 1/16 inches thick and has a design stress of 4,800. How wide should the band be? So, baliktad naman. Kanina, nagmula ka sa stress, okay? Mula ka sa stress para makuha mo yung power. Ngayon naman, gumula ka sa power, papunta sa stress para makuha mo yung inahanap na width ng band. Okay? So, balik tayo dito. You have power, okay? Mali ako nang kuha ng pen. You have power is equal to T and divide by factor. Okay? So, hanapin muna natin si torque. Okay? So, torque dyan is F1 minus F2 times R and divide by factor. So, let alone F1 and F2 is yung Fnet. Okay? Pwede mo namang gawin dyan, Fnet na agad kunin mo. So, F1 minus F2 is equal to power factor divide by Rn. Okay? Yung power mo is 10 HP times 63025 pound inch RPM every HP. Divided by, yung R natin is 16 ata binigay. Yun, 16 divide by 2. Tapos 260. 16 divide by 2 inch times RPM natin is 260. Cancel all same values, units. RPM, HP, inch, lalabas lang si pound. So, the net force, F1 minus F2 is equal to 10 times 63025, okay, divide by 8 times 260. That is 303.0048. Okay, pounds. Nakuha na natin yan. Kung nakuha natin si Fnet, pwede ko bang gamitin dito yan? Okay, this is equation 1. I-reform ko pa yung equation 1 na yan. So, this is F1 na nga hanapin mo. So, in terms of F2. F2 will be equal to F1 minus 303.0048 pounds. Okay, gawin natin tong equation 1 instead. So, hindi na to equation 1 mo. Okay? Equation 2, magmumula dito sa ratio ng forces. So, F1 divided by F2 is E, F, theta. Okay, meron ka naman value ng E, F, theta. Okay? So, F1 is equal to F2, E, F, theta. Yung F2, okay, pwede nating i-substitute yung 1 sa F2. Okay? So, this will become F1 minus 303.0048 pounds. Okay? Tapos, multiply to E. Yung F natin, kung di ako nagkakamali, 0.35. Okay? 0.35 and 260 degrees. 0.35 multiply to 260 pi divide by 180. Yan. So, distribute natin. F1 minus. Kunin ko muna yung value ng E, ha. Okay, E, 0.35 times 260 pi divide by 180. Yan. 4.8952. F1 equal to F1 minus 303.0048. Yan. Tapos multiply mo ng 4.8952. Okay, distribute. F1 equal to F1, multiply na natin, ha. So, 4.8952 F1 minus 4.8952 times 303.0048. So, 1483 0.2691. Okay. Meron na. Pagsamahin natin yung dalawang F1. Okay? So, what will happen? Factor out ko na si F1. So, that will become 4.8952 minus 1. Kasi nilipat ko dito si F1 sa kabila eh. Ilipat ko to dito. Tapos, ito ililipat ko naman dito sa kabila. Okay? Equal to 1483.2691. Divided both sides by 4.8952 minus 1. Okay. So, makuha ko na si F1. 1483.2691 divided by 3.8952. Bakit naging ganun? Minus 1 eh. So, F1 will be equal to 380.7941 pounds. So, sa stress is equal to F1 over BT. Kailangan ko si B. O, di-reform natin. B is equal to F1 divided by ST. O, F1 natin, 380.7941 divided by the stress na 4,800 pound per inch squared. May pound dito. Times 1 divided by 16 inch. Okay, cancel yung inch, matitira isa, pound, aakyat dito yung inch. Okay? So, 380.7941 divided by 4,800 times 1 over 16. So, the value is, B is 1.2693 inch. Tama kaya yung sagot natin? Ayun, galing ah. Basic. Basic yung number 18. Okay? So, let us continue yung other problems after this.